What's going on, guys? Tyler with That Racing Channel, back at you with another episode, and today we have something pretty rowdy. We're here with Juan's 1200 horsepower 4x4 Silverado, and man, this thing absolutely gets down. I've seen some rowdy trucks, but after seeing this truck launch online, I'm a little worried. So man, I cannot wait to show you guys this truck. Stay tuned, this one's gonna be a wild ride. So we got Juan's 1200 horsepower plus, right?
Yep.
Silverado. So man, tell me a little bit about this thing, because I've seen it get down on the street and it's gnarly.
So it's a 2005 Silverado 4x4. It has a 427 dart block, 98 millimeter turbo, built for all 80.
Dang, so 98 millimeters. So how many pounds are you pushing out of the 98 millimeter?
It should be somewhere around 20 to 25 pounds of boost right now. I mean, it's not really turned up. I mean, they go up to like 30, 35 pounds of boost. But I mean, they barely finished it. So I mean, it's not really dialed in. I mean, but right now it's like at a safe, you know, level. I mean, it could go up, but
dude,
you know,
I saw you roast all 4 tires on this thing online,
yeah,
and dude, this thing just like squats. This thing just goes. I mean, I've been in some fast trucks, but I don't ever think I've been in anything like this.
Yeah, it's kind of scary, to be honest.
Is it? Yeah. So, pop the hood for me. I want to check out that turbo. So, how long have you had the truck?
I've been having a truck for a couple years.
So you said it's a built dart block?
Yeah, built 427 dart block, Texas speed, intake manifold with the intercooler in between it.
That's when you know you mean business.
Yeah, it's 4-inch all the way back.
Why don't you go ahead and start it up? I want to hear it. Yeah, that's sketchy. Oh man, it kicked loose. It kicked sideways about halfway through first. Bro, that thing pulls hard though.
You see the mark right there?
Huh? Oh yeah, that's our sideways, bro. All 4. Bro, that is wild. It's so different in a truck when you're like moving this much weight. It's so crazy compared to a car.
Yeah, I'm trying to engage the 4x4.
Oh, okay. So is it boost by gear? So we got the Holly in here.
I like it. I mean, there's a lot of things you can do with it. It has a lot of safe features in it, you know, so you don't blow up your.
And what wheel and tire setup are you running?
Right now it just has some Multegi racing wheels. Not a lot of people use them. That's why, you know, something different. They're pretty light. 305, 45, 17 all around. Mickey Thompson ETSS.
Dang, even with slicks on all fours, it's still.
Oh yeah, it spins them.
It still spins them. Bro, once that turbo spools, and honestly, for a 98 millimeter, right?
It spools pretty quick.
Bro, it spools fast.
Yeah, really, really quick.
So what's it like driving this compared to your other cars? Because you got, I mean, you have a lot of cars. You got the Trackhawk, you got the Demon. Yeah. What is something like this compare?
I don't think anything compares to this. I mean, this is something I was really.
Yeah.
I mean, it's pretty fast. You know, pretty scary.
Yeah. Do you have any future plans for it, or are you gonna keep it how it is and just kind of dial it in?
Well, we just dial it in, and then, you know, once I turn up the boost, then it should be a whole different monster from there.
Yeah.
You know?
I mean, when you're talking about like 30, 35 pounds on this thing, I mean, that must be like mid 1500s, right?
Yeah, somewhere around
something
there.
Like
yeah.
that. Yeah. Ouch. Bro, that thing is so loud. Damn. That thing is sketchy. Honestly, I think one of the coolest parts about this truck is that it just looks like just some regular street truck that you just see just out at the drags, and man, this thing is wild. So what made you want to build a truck like this?
I don't know, I've always been a fan of trucks, like always trucks. I had two-wheel drive trucks, but you know, it's not that fun. Like for me, I think all-wheel drive is where it's at. You know, you can launch.
Yeah.
You know, so.
All right, guys, that wraps up the episode for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace out.